Hello my beautiful friends, welcome and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make the juiciest turkey recipe ever. This turkey recipe is made from scratch without injectables, so if you guys are interested to see more of how I make this recipe, just keep watching. Also, if you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So to get this recipe started, I've got this beautiful turkey. This is what it looks like. It's 10 pounds. We're going to go in and pat the water off the turkey. It's already washed and clean. And then I'm going to show you guys the next step to make this juicy oven baked turkey recipe. Okay, so to get this recipe started, we're going to use 1 apple, 1 carrot, fresh parsley, fresh thyme leaves, spring onion, rosemary leaves. So those are all the ingredients which we're going to use so far. We're going to add all of our fresh ingredients inside of the bowl. So we're going to add our parsley, rosemary leaves, dry oregano leaves, thyme leaves, and we're also going to go in with minced garlic. If you have fresh garlic, you can use that as well for this recipe. Now we're going to mix to combine the ingredients. To continue with this recipe, we're going to use 2 sticks of unsalted butter. Make sure it's at room temperature. Then we're going to go in and add all of those flavorful ingredients onto the butter. Next, you want to give that a very nice mix. Make sure it's fully combined. And that looks absolutely beautiful. The smell is amazing. To continue with this recipe, we're going to use our fine sea salt, ground black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika. It's going to add lots of flavor to this recipe. Old Bay seasoning, cayenne pepper. Now we're going to give that a very nice mix. Make sure all the seasonings are fully combined. Now we're going to go in and season this beautiful turkey, guys. So we're going to add a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil onto both sides of the turkey. Make sure it's fully coated. Now we are going to go in with this flavorful seasoning. We're going to add the seasoning underneath the skin of the turkey. Make sure you season the creases of the turkey. This seasoning is going to give the turkey a nice flavor. We're going to continue to season this beautiful turkey for the next 30 seconds. Now we're going to flip the turkey over to the opposite side and we're going to season the back side of the turkey. And that looks so beautiful, guys. It smells so delicious. Now is the perfect time to add all those flavorful veggies inside of the turkey. All these veggies is going to keep the turkey nice and moist while it's baked. It's going to create that nice juice for the turkey. And that looks beautiful, guys. Look at that beautiful turkey. We're going to continue to add all these delicious flavor onto the turkey. So we're going to season the turkey. Make sure the turkey is fully seasoned. And now we're going to flip this beautiful bird on the opposite side, and we're going to season the back as well. Now we are going to set the turkey to marinate for 1 hour, guys. 1 hour. So you just want to go in and cover the turkey with a plastic wrap, just like that. After marinating for 1 hour, this is what the turkey looks like. It came out so beautiful, guys. Look at that. It's nice and bright. It smells amazing. Now we are going to set the turkey to bake for 3 hours and 350 degrees. Make sure to cover the turkey with a piece of foil paper. after baking for 3 hours in 350 degrees, this is the final results. This turkey came out absolutely beautiful. It was so nice and juicy. The flavor was so good in this turkey, guys. I wish you guys could smell this from through the camera. This is like one of the best recipes so far. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I hope to see you beautiful people in my next video. Bye, guys.